Welcome back to our series on the essentials of Arabic grammar. Today we are on lesson number 3 and we will talk about the sentence structure in Arabic. What are the sentence structures in Arabic? First, we have the simple nominal sentence, and these are known as al-jumla al-ismiya, the nominal sentence, and these are simply sentences that begin with an ism. For example, we have the sentence Muhammadun tabibun. Muhammad is a doctor. This is one of the simplest forms of the Arabic sentences where we simply have two nouns. And the first noun, Muhammad, is the subject and the word tabib is the predicate of the sentence. Al-waladu hazinun. The boy is sad. Now, we can also have a sentence that begins with an ism and is then followed by a verb. For example, Al-bintu tabki. The girl is crying. Pay attention here to the verb-subject agreement. In a nominal sentence, if there is a verb, the verb agrees with the subject in both number and gender. So if I use a plural subject, for example, at-tullab, then I should say at-tullabu dhahabu, using the plural form of the verb. Al-atibba'u qadaru. Again, we use the plural form of the verb. Now let us look at more examples for the simple nominal sentence. Hiya muhamiyatun. She is a lawyer. As-safaru mumti'un. Traveling is fun. Al-qissatu tawilatun. The story is long. Al-ummu tar'a al-atfal. The mother takes care of the children. Note here that the word al-atfal is the object or the maf'ul bihi of the sentence. Next, we have the verbal sentence, which is known as al-jumla al-fi'liya. These are simply sentences that begin with the verb. The Arabic verb is similar to the English verb, but it has three tenses: فعل ماض, past tense, فعل مضارع, present tense, and فعل أمر, the imperative. The future tense in Arabic is simply shown by adding the letter sin or the word سوف before the present tense verb. For example, سأذهب means I will go. سوف نلعب, we will play. سأقرأ, I will read. Now let us take a look at the examples for verbal sentences. ذهب الطبيب إلى المستشفى. The doctor went to the hospital. رجع محمد من المدرسة. Muhammad returned from the school. أدرس في بريطانيا. I study in Britain. Now these sentences also have the verb-subject agreement with one major difference in comparison to the nominal sentence. In a verbal sentence, the verb agrees with the subject in gender and not always in number. If the subject is dual or plural, the verb will still be singular. For example, ذهب الطلاب. The students left. We use the singular form of the verb ذهب and we did not use the plural form ذهبوا. Now let us look at a few more examples. يصلي أبي في المسجد. My dad prays in the mosque. تزور بسملة جدتها. Basmala visits her grandmother. أتكلم اللغة الفرنسية. I speak French. Now let's take a closer look at the subject of both the nominal and verbal sentence. The subject of a nominal sentence is called mubtada, and it is simply a noun which begins the sentence. The subject of a verbal sentence is called fa'il. It is the person or thing that does the action. Both the fa'il and mubtada take the nominative case or the case of rafa'. The subject is highlighted in the following sentences. اشترى خالد السيارة. Khalid bought the car. رجع الوالد من السوق. The father returned from the market. الولد جالس في الظل. The boy is sitting in the shade. The subject can also be shown in the form of verb inflections. We will learn more about this in the coming chapters. Now let us look at examples. أحب شرب القهوة صباحا. I like drinking coffee in the morning. قرأت الكتاب. I read the book. جئنا من السعودية. We have come from Saudi. Finally, the mubtada can also be a pronoun. هو في البيت. He is in the house. هي مدرسة في المدرسة. She is a teacher at the school. هذا مسجد قديم. This is an old mosque. And finally, we have the object in the sentence, and it is known as maf'ul bihi. Maf'ul bihi is the thing to which the action is done. It is always in the state of nasab or in the accusative case. For example, اشتريت خبزا. I bought bread. أكل العنب. He ate the grapes. كسرت القلم. I broke the pen. The object can also occur in the form of attached pronouns. For example, ضربه أحمد. Ahmed hit him. رأيتهم في السوق. I saw them in the market. أعرفه جيدا. I know him well. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson, and inshallah, I'll see you in the next one.